Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to program add key with the remote using Hotel this X-Horse mini OBD tools, new tools, smart tools, using the X-Horse device. So first connect the device and see, let's see how this is working. Okay, we are going to connect the device into the car. Okay, after we connect, go to mini OBD and go to Land Cruiser Prado, flip case 2004 2013 4D 6768 and press it. Okay, so this is original one and this one is new one. So you see, I'm going to show you how to program the key and remote. Okay, so key programming, key cleaning, all key lost. I'm going to just add key, so key programming. So you should have the main key. Okay, so put the main key and turn ignition on, press OK, press OK. Okay, now insert the key. You want to program it to the ignition, just put the key only, no need to turn on. So put the key and press OK, and as you can see here, the programming light is off on. It's take like here is machine is showing like 120 seconds. So we are going to wait for 120 seconds until like you can say until the light is going to be off. Then I'm going to show you how to program a remote with the same device, not the manual. If sometimes it's working, also sometimes not. So I'm not sure about this car. Otherwise I have to program the manual. Security light is still on. Okay, the programming successful already. Here is already off. As you can see, program is success. So it's mentioning here, if immobilizer is flashing, please turn ignition off, switch ignition and wait for 1 minute, but it's already off, so no need anything. That's it. Now you can try to start the car by new keys. Start it. Okay, so let's try to program the remote now. Go out from here. Can go out. Okay, going to remote system, and there is a Prado, Chinese Prado. Okay, Prado. Okay, this device is really very good. So open the driver door. No, you're not going to try this. This is manual. I want like I can say step 2. Okay, press OK. Add remote editing, switch ignition on and open the driver door. Switching on, open the driver door and same time click OK. Connecting. Sometimes it's working by this, sometimes it's not. Otherwise I have to do it manual. Like I have other video, that Toyota Corolla 2012 I programmed by this device. It's not a success. We have to try it the manual. So switch ignition off, take out the key and remove the OBD here. Okay, so keep the door is open. 1, 2, close the door twice. 2, take out, open and close the door. Then put the key, close the door, on, off, take out. Now press lock and unlock button together and press lock button. So now new remote also same, lock unlock together, then press lock button. That's it, program is success. So take out the, open the door and close and try the new remote. Okay, it's working. Check the old one, it's also working. Thank you guys.